Hey Goombas, Nicky Lance back here. I'm back out in Pennsauken, New Jersey. Listen, before we get started with the video, I wanted to ask if you could just click the like button, subscribe, and share the hell out of the video. There's a lot of hungry people in the world. We got to find them and feed them. So I was out this way before, not at this particular place. I was at Mama's Meatballs, if you remember that one. I think that was the last video I did on the channel. But as I was here recording that, shooting that video, customer after customer just kept coming by telling me about this place right next door to there called, it's called Call Me Crispy Chicken Sandwiches. So, you don't have to tell me twice. I came out here and now we're going to check out their chicken sandwich. Alright, so I placed my order for the food. We're just waiting for it to come out. Everything looks fantastic. Alright, got the food. Let's head back to, I don't know, maybe I'll do it in the car. Maybe we can go back to the studio. Alright guys, change of scenery. Here's my little studio. I have my sandwich and some french fries. French fries are very good. Crinkly cut french fries, very good. Incredible, it looks incredible. So it has some coleslaw, the chicken itself obviously, hot honey, and some pickles. And we're gonna go in for the first bite. Wait a minute. That there is the best chicken sandwich I have ever had in my entire life. No shit. That's incredible. I know a lot of people out there like Chick-fil-A. This isn't that. This is something else. All day long, guys. All day long. Get the frig out of here. That's just stupid good. That's just good. Things shouldn't be that good. That is a great chicken sandwich. That's going to be my favorite food for a while, I can tell you right now. Because that's the way I work. Once I eat something and I like it, I just eat it all the time. And that's going to be, it's like chicken parm to me. I have chicken parm and then I never stop eating chicken parm. That's going to be one of my favorite foods on the Nicky Lance food list. Awesome sandwich. Highly recommended. It's got to be my highest recommendation I've ever given on this channel. We haven't done many chicken sandwiches, but as far as food itself, I really, really, really enjoyed this sandwich. That's it. See you next time. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share the hell out of the video. I really appreciate it, guys. Happy holidays.